Through group collaboration, we found that when creating a classroom restaurant through project-based learning, we would focus on 6 main aspects of creating and running a restaurant. Those 6 aspects are the location, the type of restaurant, the workers, the building, the supplies, and the budget. In order to gain information about different types of restaurants, the students first participated in a research project. Through the research project, the students learned how to use a hot list, the importance of safe surfing on the web, and created a PowerPoint presentation to share with the class. All of the students chose a type of restaurant that they were interested in, researched that type of restaurant, and presented the class with an informational PowerPoint. To learn more about different types of restaurants, the class took part in a field trip to the family-owned Lebanese restaurant Shawarma King. Before going on the trip, the students interacted with a Google map that showed the field trip route, several different types of restaurants on the route, and one aspect about each restaurant. When students interacted with the map, they examined an application for employment at the Grotto at Capone's, information about franchising at Jimmy John's, a fast food industry ranking at Wendy's, a restaurant review at Maggie's Campus Cafe, a fire disaster article at the Firehouse, an advertising strategy at Great Lakes Shipping Co., a menu at Roma's Pizza, and a biography of the chef at their destination Shawarma King. While on the field trip, students were given a tour of the restaurant and were told about how the restaurant runs on a typical day. The students were able to examine the roles of the workers and ask questions about the running of the restaurant, the food, and the culture of Lebanon. Next week, students will narrow down what type of restaurant they are going to create in their project through a class poll. The students will collect data on 3 different classes' favorite types of restaurant. The students will then create an Excel spreadsheet with their data and reflect upon their findings by narrowing down their favorite restaurant type. Students will then be able to focus on the theme and location of their restaurant. Through this project-based learning communities can come together to discuss, debate, and exchange ideas with each other in real-world situations. In our project, the class makes use of student-to-student discussions in order to reflect upon learning experiences as they unfold.